Production begins with aerospace-grade aluminum alloys. Every coil is digitally tracked before entering manufacturing. Massive aluminum coils are prepared for precision forming. Automated systems ensure exact sheet dimensions. Fiber lasers cut body panel blanks with micron precision. Every cut is optimized to reduce material waste.
Robotic handling prevents scratches and deformation. Each blank is sorted for a specific body component.
Massive stamping presses form complex body shapes. The hood begins taking its aerodynamic profile.
Excess material is removed for perfect dimensional accuracy. Precision trimming prepares the panel for assembly.
Every panel is measured against digital CAD data. Even tiny deviations are automatically detected. Door skins are formed in multiple progressive stages. Each press operation adds detail and strength.
Secondary forming sharpens design features. Surface quality is critical for luxury vehicles. Automated vision systems verify every contour. Only flawless panels continue forward. Structural members are machined from high-strength extrusions. These parts form the vehicle's safety structure. Computer-controlled machining ensures repeatability. Mounting points are produced within tight tolerances. Structural pieces are precisely positioned. Robotic fixtures eliminate alignment variation. Advanced riveting joins lightweight aluminum structures. Strength is achieved without distortion. Structural adhesive improves rigidity and crash performance. It works together with mechanical fasteners. Controlled heat cures the bonding materials. The structure gains permanent strength.
The floor structure forms the vehicle foundation. Precise alignment is essential.
Automated joining creates a rigid platform. This foundation supports the battery pack. Side structures establish cabin geometry. Alignment accuracy is continuously monitored. Pillars provide critical rollover protection. They also define door openings.
Aluminum roof rails strengthen the upper body structure. Robots position each component with millimeter precision.
The roof panel is carefully aligned with the body. Accurate placement is essential for structural integrity. Advanced joining methods create a rigid roof structure. Rivets and adhesives work together for maximum strength. Every body dimension is compared with engineering specifications. Laser inspection ensures exceptional manufacturing accuracy. Robotic correction systems eliminate tiny dimensional deviations. The body structure is refined to exact specifications. Trial fitting verifies panel alignment. The hood must match design tolerances perfectly. Door alignment directly affects quality and appearance. Each opening is measured with precision.
The rear closure panel undergoes the same rigorous checks. Uniform spacing is essential for a premium finish.
Gap and flush measurements define luxury vehicle quality. Advanced scanners verify every panel relationship. The body structure has successfully completed assembly. Next, it enters pre-treatment and paint preparation. The body enters pre-treatment for corrosion protection. Every surface is chemically cleaned and conditioned. Multiple rinsing stages remove cleaning agents. This prepares the surface for coating. A conversion coating enhances paint adhesion. It also improves corrosion resistance. Electrocoating reaches hidden cavities. It forms the vehicle's first paint layer.
The protective layer covers every surface. Uniform thickness is automatically verified.
Heat permanently bonds the coating. The body gains long-term corrosion protection.
Surface preparation ensures flawless paint quality. Even microscopic imperfections are removed.
The Sapphire body enters a contamination-free paint environment.
Robots guarantee uniform application.
Electrostatic spraying maximizes paint efficiency. Each layer is applied with exceptional consistency. Multiple passes ensure complete color uniformity. The sapphire finish begins to emerge.
Clear coat provides depth and gloss. It also protects the finish from wear. The finish is cured under carefully controlled temperatures. Paint hardness develops during this stage. Every painted surface is visually inspected. Reflection quality reveals even tiny defects. Battery production begins with carefully controlled materials. Every ingredient is tracked for quality. Active materials are blended into precise formulations. Consistency is critical for battery performance. Electrode material is coated onto metal foil. Thickness is controlled with extreme precision. Drying stabilizes the electrode coating. Uniformity affects battery efficiency.
Compression improves energy density. Electrode structure becomes more compact.
Layers are stacked with micron accuracy. This structure stores electrical energy.
Electrodes are cut to exact dimensions. Preparation for cell assembly is complete.
Electrolyte enables ion movement within the cell.
Sealing protects internal chemistry. Initial charging activates battery chemistry. Performance characteristics begin developing. Every cell is individually tested. Only approved cells move forward. Thousands of cells are organized into modules. This creates scalable battery architecture. Precision welding forms high current connections. Electrical resistance is minimized.
Modules are integrated into a structural pack. The battery becomes a vehicle component.
Thermal management maintains battery performance. Cooling channels are carefully installed. The battery pack is sealed against contamination. Structural integrity is verified. High-voltage systems undergo rigorous validation. Safety and performance are confirmed. The battery pack is ready for installation. Vehicle and powertrain production now converge.
The painted body and battery pack finally come together. This critical step creates the foundation of the vehicle. The battery pack becomes a structural component. Every fastener is digitally verified. The first high-performance motor is installed. It will power the front axle. Precision installation ensures perfect drivetrain alignment. The front drive unit is now secured. The Sapphire model receives 2 rear drive units. Together, they deliver extraordinary performance.
The first rear motor is installed. Precision positioning prevents drivetrain stress.
The second rear motor completes the Sapphire drivetrain. All 3 motors now occupy their final positions.
High-voltage power pathways are connected. Strict safety procedures guide every step.
Cooling circuits regulate temperatures during operation. Thermal performance is vital for maximum power.
Precision suspension components are added. They define ride quality and handling.
Rear suspension components complete the chassis. Each connection is torque verified.
Large performance brakes are fitted. They provide stopping power for extreme acceleration. The vehicle receives its performance wheel package. The sedan can now roll under its own structure.
The luxury interior begins taking shape. The dashboard is carefully positioned.
Thousands of electrical connections are integrated. Digital systems are connected throughout the cabin.
The advanced display system is fitted. It becomes the driver's digital interface. The rear cabin receives its finishing components. The luxury interior is nearly complete. Performance seats are carefully installed. Comfort and support are engineered together. The signature glass roof is installed. Precision placement ensures a perfect seal. The vehicle enclosure is completed. Glass installation finishes the exterior shell. Panel gaps are refined to exact specifications. Luxury fit and finish is carefully achieved. Thermal systems are filled and tested. Proper circulation is verified. Vehicle software is loaded and configured. Digital systems come online for the first time. Advanced sensors undergo calibration. Every system is synchronized. The Sapphire sedan awakens for the first time. Systems perform automatic self-checks.
Powertrain performance is tested under load. Engineers verify drivetrain operation. Weather sealing performance is verified. Every cabin must remain completely dry.
Final quality inspection reviews every detail. Only flawless vehicles receive approval.
The vehicle passes all manufacturing requirements. It is officially ready for delivery.